All right, West Coast Swing Dancers, if you know a whip, better yet a hustle whip, I have a gajillion variations. My name's Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
So based off of a basic whip, if we can do a basic whip, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next level is the hustle whip. That's with 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, and 8. Only skill we need to develop there is what we old people call reading the newspaper, where you have to open the newspaper. So the ability to be closer to my partner because I open the paper and then I close the paper to get back further away. So as this hustle whip, as I lead this whip, 1, 2, I'm opening the paper, 3, and sending her back away. I lead her on to count 4. Now I open the paper again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Big picture, 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, and 8. One of the things that will help along the way for this pattern and the ones we're going to do is, can I lead that whip with just my left hand? Because I'm going to need to maneuver my partner onto specific feet. And a more advanced way is, can I lead it with my right hand with your partner being connected to you the whole way? So those are some skills you can develop, but here, let's do it from this side because it's going to make more sense for leaders forward. Next part, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, and 14 counts of awesomeness, but how did we get there? We're going to lead her to count 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 like normal. I'm going to start to prepare this hand. She's going to walk for 5, 6. I'm going to stall out on count 5, no step here, so I can land with her on count 6. Then we have 2 beats to my left, 7, 8, so we're hanging out and swaying. Now I'm going to walk, walk again. Walk, walk. She's going to triple as I walk, walk. Triple step, and then we anchor step. Let's look at it again that way. Looks like this slowly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I wait. 5, I step. 6. We hang out. 7, 8. We walk, walk, walk. She does a triple step, then we anchor step, so we can sync back our footwork. But we have variations for you. First variation, let's do it from this side. That way you can see my footwork from behind. It's all the same. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk is all the same. Next walk, walk. She's going to duck. Walk, walk. And then we both anchor step. Let's look at that from this side so you can see the duck portion of it. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 steps, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk. So from here I'm going to kind of load her up so she knows to duck. Megan's going to talk about what she feels here to duck.
Followers, when this comes through, I am just dropping my head and coming right back up.
And leaders, what I'm doing is adding a little pressure here, and if you watch this, I'm going to raise my elbow to give her the maximum amount of space. Can we assume the position again? Thank you for putting your hands. So we've done our walk, walk. She's going to triple step, triple step. I have to follow her to get her onto her right foot. Now we both should be able to anchor away. Let's look at it one more time from this side. We got 2 more variations. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7, 8. A walk, walk. Walk, walk from me, and then we anchor step. But when Megan and Emily showed me this move, it reminded me of a move that looks like this with a ronde at the end of it. So I just tacked it on the end of this pattern, and this is what it would look like. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7, 8. A walk, walk. Triple step and ronde step. 2 beats and an anchor step. Let's talk through that timing-wise from this side, because that's going to be the one that makes sense. So leaders, my footwork is going to go completely off script here because I need to counterbalance her and then get back.
You just got to stand still. You're fine.
Yeah, Megan called this advanced leader footwork. We do nothing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have walk, walk. Walk, walk, triple step. So I'm beside her. Now, in a 2-beat increment, she goes and ronde. And ronde, step. Then we have 2 beats here, beat, beat. Now I'm sunk back up with her. Anchor, step. If we count it all the way through from this side with our numbers, this is tricky. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Anchor, step. But then there's one that I like to do.
Yeah, there's more.
But yeah, there's more. There's one I like to do off this position. We'll put you in this position here, Miss Megan, where I actually accelerate her and 5 on the whip, and then I duck out the backside. We did this in a video, but I think it works really well off this move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, anchor, step. So the only difference is here is that I accelerate her on the and 5. Whoop, to this side in the middle. That's where you're pushing me. Instead of walking her 5, 6, where it's basic time, I'm going to accelerate and 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've prepped her on that foot. Now she dances and 5 to get to that right foot for her. I'm going to take my left foot behind as I unwind myself for count 6. This is perfect world for 6 because we're connected. And then we anchor, step away. If you enjoyed how that pattern fits inside of a basic hustle whip, you're going to love our pattern tree chart. It was designed by Megan. It's right here. It's a free download. It'll show you how all of the patterns fit back to the basic push, pass, and whip. It's a clickable guide. You can click whip, and then it will go to the next section. Whip with an inside turn, outside turn, inside turn. It will give you every variation that we have based upon that whip, and you can see how it nestles back. You can download it right here for free.